The CHOGER Electric Pressure Washer delivers an impressive cleaning power with a maximum pressure of 4,000 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute, making it highly effective in removing dirt, oil, and stubborn stains from various surfaces. Designed with portability in mind, this high-pressure washer features a barrel reel design that allows the power cord to be wound onto the reel and is equipped with wheels for easy movement and compact storage. Setting up the CHOGER Electric Pressure Washer is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly attachments that snap into place effortlessly, allowing you to start cleaning quickly and with confidence. The safety automatic total stop system in this pressure washer ensures that the pump shuts off when the trigger is released, conserving energy, prolonging pump life, and providing built-in overheating protection for added safety. With 4 different nozzles and a foam cannon included, this pressure washer offers versatile cleaning options, from cleaning crevices and hard surfaces to washing windows and applying soap for a thorough car wash. The 35-foot power cord and 25-foot hose provide ample reach for various cleaning tasks, making it an excellent choice for both home and vehicle cleaning projects.